Hi guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to watch this video till the end as well. Don't forget to like. And guys, I'm back with a new recipe, such an amazing recipe that I want to share with you. So just keep locked in. Don't forget to share this video as well. So today I will be preparing fish. The type of fish that I'm going to prepare today is tilapia. I will be preparing tilapia fish, which is one of the healthiest source of protein. Of course, it is native to Africa, and I can say it's the most popular farmed fish globally and most traded seafood. Yeah, and it's affordable as well here in Kenya in both rural and urban centers. So guys, enjoy this recipe, enjoy today's recipe, and yeah, let's get into the video. So today I got some of the ingredients that of course you can see on the video. I have the coriander leaves, I have this curry powder, I have one medium onion and two medium tomatoes, and this spice Raycom chili mix as well. And that is my fish that I'm going to prepare today, tilapia. Of course it was fresh. I got it from the market. It was fresh, and I will cut it into two pieces. Of course, I'm going to show you everything. Just guys, don't forget to like this video. So this is the chopped onion. This is the medium size that I love. Whenever I'm chopping my onions, I don't like the larger size. I love this smaller size because of the kids as well. I do that to the tomatoes. And now I will go ahead and cut my coriander leaves as well, my dania. Hii kwanza ilikuwa ya 10 shillings. It's not as much as you think guys, but it's gonna be enough for today's recipe. And that is it guys. I'm done with chopping all of my ingredients that I was supposed to chop earlier. I'm done with the tomatoes, I'm done with the onions, and I'm done with the coriander leaves. So now let's get into preparing our soup. And now from here, I'm going to add in my warm water, guys. Yeah, we just need to prepare that soup first of all, then we dip in our fish. And remember, guys, we haven't used one of the ingredients, the coriander. I will place this later after my fish has already boiled, and we need it to be soft first, then we will add in our coriander. And I love this recipe, guys. What about you? Let me know more from the comment section. Please don't fail to subscribe for more videos. Don't fail to like as well this video. And I'm gonna wrap it at this point, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support so far, and let's meet on the next video.